Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It's your girl, Leilani Love. Today we have Amari here, who has a beautiful head of hair, and we're gonna be giving him a Mohawk haircut. Right now he has a full head of curls, and we about to go chop, chop, chop. So I'm just gonna start this cut by taking off a bulk of the hair. The shape is gonna be a Mohawk, and we're pretty much gonna follow the sides of his head. Everybody's Mohawk shape is a little bit different. You're just gonna want to kind of follow the sides of the head and just use your clippers as a guide. I go along with the occipital bone in the back to make the V shape, and along the sides I kind of just follow the ridge of the head and go up. And I also like to kind of taper the haircut a little bit. It just depends on the person's face shape and how wide their head is and everything. So you want to take all of that into account when doing a Mohawk haircut. Now, if you know me, you know I don't like to do nothing simple, so we're going to give him a Mohawk. But I'm going to put a little design on the side, a little something. Nothing too crazy, just so he could be extra. Because why not? So here you see me using the Gold Effects trimmers by Babyliss. I definitely recommend these if you like to do designs or if you just like a sharp lineup. Yo, they ill. I love these trimmers. Like, they just very precise and they're cordless. So I definitely recommend these. Clean them up, put a little moisturizer, get them curls popping, and voila, here we go. Know what I mean? Something light, nothing too crazy. But I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. You already know. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notifications every time I drop some new heat, so you can be down with the Love Squad. Make sure you hit that like button and go check out my social media too. Leilani's.love, Leilani's_love on IG. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, peace and love.